If you find yourself banned from using Zelle, it's important to understand the appeal process to regain access. Follow these steps to effectively appeal your ban. Step 1. Review the ban notification. Check the email or notification you received regarding your ban. It should provide details on why your account was suspended and any specific terms you may have violated. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect any necessary information that may support your appeal. This includes your account details, transaction history, and any communications you've had with Zelle or your bank regarding the ban. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Zelle's customer support through their official website or app. Use the contact options provided, such as live chat, email, or phone support to explain your situation and express your desire to appeal the ban. Step 4. Submit a formal appeal. If instructed, submit a formal appeal through the designated process. Include all relevant information and documentation that supports your case, and clearly state why you believe the ban should be lifted. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email or account for any updates from Zelle. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up to check on the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the appeal process and work towards regaining access to Zelle. Good luck!